Let's install and briefly use IMTranslator. We first need to go to the Google Extensions store. I say store, but it's actually free. Type in IMTranslator, and it should pop right up for you. As usually when someone hasn't had it installed, you'll see Add to Chrome, and that's very simple. You click it, and then it will install the icon up here. However, my icon is not here, and it only says rated. So I know that mine has actually been disabled. If this is the case with yours, somebody else has previously installed it, just go up to the menu in the upper right corner, go to More Tools, and then down to Extensions. This will bring you to a menu of all the extensions that you have or have once had on your computer, and you simply just need to activate it. Now you can see my icon is back in my extensions bar. Let's use it real quickly. If you just re-enabled it, you will need to refresh the page that you already had open. Highlight the text, the icon pops up, you click it, and it automatically sets it, translates it to the language that you have it set for. I have mine set for Spanish, but as you can see, there are lots and lots of languages that it will translate into. Also, it's nice in class too, or with a family that you just need to have a conversation with, but you're not sure how to translate. You can type in whatever you want there, and then of course translate it right away. If you have a student and you want to set their IMTranslator to an automatic language, whether Ukrainian speaker, Vietnamese, whatever, just go up, double click or right click the icon. You'll see options. You go into options and you can see you can set it for any language you want. I almost always put English first and then simply choose it. Make sure you set the save options. Again, you can use this with any website, and you can use it with online learning programs like MobiMax, as long as the text is highlightable. All right, I hope that helped.